Hello and welcome to Anansi's book. My name is EJ and today's story is called The Boy Who Only Ate Pancakes by Ulrika Moraes, Christian Bambaramba and Nadine Creel. Rikai loved to eat pancakes more than anything in the whole world. He loved to eat pancakes so very much he simply refused to eat any other food. Rikai's mum said, "Eat some good food, have some veggies and fruit, and don't forget water and juice." But Rikai shook his head and said, "No, I don't want to. Only pancakes will do." Then Mum had an idea. "I know how to get Rikai to eat healthy food," she said. She mixed up a batch of some extra special pancakes with a surprise ingredient. Mum watched as he gobbled them up, and she was very pleased. Softly, she giggled and thought, "This is great. He has no clue what he has just eaten." Then, one day, Rikai caught Mum adding butternut to his pancakes, and he was very surprised. "Your secret ingredient is a vegetable?" he cried. To this day, he enjoys eating pancakes, and every day Mum adds many yummy surprises. Sometimes she adds spinach, sometimes she adds carrots, sometimes she adds strawberries and even apples. It's a fun surprise every single time. On the screen is a surprise pancake recipe for you to make with Mummy or Daddy's help. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.